Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete beginner-friendly breakdown of pCloud, an incredibly unique cloud storage platform that is shaking up the tech industry by eliminating monthly subscription fatigue. Unlike traditional competitors like Google Drive or Dropbox that force you into endless monthly billing cycles, pCloud's absolute biggest selling point is its revolutionary lifetime subscription model, which allows you to pay a single one-time flat fee to secure 500 gigabytes or 2 terabytes of permanent cloud space forever. When you install the dedicated desktop application on your computer, it cleverly creates a secure virtual drive that functions exactly like an integrated local hard drive, letting you view, organize, and access all your massive media assets without eating up a single megabyte of your physical local computer storage. Furthermore, the platform features a highly convenient built-in media player that allows you to stream your raw video files and music libraries directly from the cloud dashboard across your mobile devices without forcing you to download them first. Beginners can start completely free with up to 10 gigabytes of unlocked storage space, though you should note that high-level client-side zero-knowledge encryption is sold separately as an optional add-on feature. Ultimately, if you want high-speed file syncing, flexible link sharing, and a way to completely bypass monthly cloud bills, pCloud is a phenomenal investment for your digital data. Subscribe the channel for more videos.